सी होता क्या है, हमारे साथ फ्रॉड हो गया, हमें ही बहुत समय बाद पता चलता है ना। इफ वी डोंट रिसीव अ डेबिट एसएमएस, अगर मुझे मेरे अकाउंट का डेबिट होने का, सपोज समवन इज विड्रॉइंग 10,000 fraudulently from my account, एसएमएस नहीं आया है, आई हार्डली चेक माई अकाउंट बैलेंस।
When you said mortgage and insurances, what is the connectivity?
The mortgage is something, if that is the collateral security, you give it to the bank. Some of your friend or relative is telling that he want to run some business and he need funds, and you don't have funds. You have asset, you have property. You offer that title documents to the bank. So you don't have funds, and you offer that property to bank. So bank will give fund against that property to that person who needs fund. You become a guarantor, some type of guarantor in that loan. That is handing over your property or asset to another person. But if he ran away, then bank will come after you. Bank will come after your property. Insurance, insurance is not connected with this. Insurance is something else, where insurance company bears a magnitude of losses.
Is there a difference between scheduled banks and private banks like Axis Bank, ICICI and HDFC?
No. All are scheduled banks. Scheduled bank is registered with RBI.
Registered with RBI. What about the corporate banks, cooperative banks?
All are scheduled banks.
Okay. All right. So there is one question from Srimati Jyotish.
I just have three quick things to share with you. This is one incident which happened in Mumbai. This is way back in the late 90s that happened. There was this gentleman who was working for the Merchant Navy. He came on leave. He was a bachelor with no family around with him, and he fell sick. So there was his domestic help who used to come and help him out. He signed a few bearer checks for that guy to withdraw money from his account so that he can pay the hospital bills. He got well, he went off, resumed his duty. And when he came back on the next leave, he found out that his bank account is wiped to zero. And what has happened is that he lodged a complaint with the police. They investigated it and they found out that this domestic help of him, he has actually forged his signatures, managed to get a fresh checkbook issued on his name, and periodically he has gone and withdrawn the amount from his account and rendered it zero. It is after that the banks came up with this condition that if I am the account holder and I'm sending somebody else to obtain a checkbook, I need to write an application and ratify and guarantee the person who's going to collect, ratify that person's signature, etc., and take the onus on me. Only then the bank will hand over the checkbook to the person who is not the account holder. This is point number one. The other point I wanted to stress upon is, why don't people understand that there are no free lunches in this world? You have to work hard to get whatever you want. And when you are working so hard to earn your money, why don't you put in a little bit of hard thinking before ending in some net like this? Why do you part with your ATM PIN numbers? Why do you hand over your credit card to somebody else to swipe it on your behalf? I think, people, and I feel very bad when I see that well-educated people walk into such kind of scams. What happens to your education? You are just literate, I believe. Why do you trust other people with your hard-earned money? I would say don't trust anybody, including your family members. Please, for God's sake, don't mortgage your hard-earned property for somebody else. Let them slog and earn the money, You never got it easy. Please stop trusting people. आज की दुनिया में कोई भी भरोसे के लायक नहीं है. अपना साया ही अपने को धोखा देता है तो और कोई क्या हमारे साथ भरोसा करेगा? My earnest request to all participants in this is just like our Nikhil ji said, do not trust anybody. One of my husband's colleagues, I was in the UAE for a long time. One of his friends, he has got a fantastic policy. He says 500 dirham से ज्यादा मैं किसी को उधार नहीं दूंगा. वो वापस नहीं आएगा तो भी चलेगा, ये लाखों का उधार देके फंसने का मैं भागी नहीं हूँ. So I think we should have some kind of discipline like that in our life. It is very difficult to earn money. Nothing comes easily, guys. Please be careful with your savings, your money, your property, etc. Don't. जो ट्रस्ट सिर्फ आपके प्रॉपर्टी को देख के करे ना, वो आदमी को पहले दूर रखो आप. मतलब ही है वो. Don't part with your things. This is what I wanted to share. And Vishwa, as usual, you guys rock. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nikhil ji. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, next question from Ms. Sabita Shetty. Nowadays, we get SMS about our credit card being upgraded, limits being increased, and a link is provided. How to judge if the SMS is genuine or fraudulent?
See, whether you have applied for upgradation. If you have not applied for upgradation, then please don't click that there. Nobody is there who is making an application on behalf of you for upgradation of your accounts or your credit card or debit card. Nobody is there.
I have one question. Like wherever we go for anything, they ask the Aadhaar card. How safe is it to give the Aadhaar card details? They take a screenshot or they take and even on WhatsApp we send it to so many. Even if you have to go book a ticket or do any booking, they ask for Aadhaar card. So what do we do? Is it safe?
See, Aadhaar card, when you submit a copy of your Aadhaar card, so can you tell me any instance for which you are asking?
No, like now I have to book some flight tickets or I want a SIM. Anywhere you go, they'll ask for the Aadhaar card. So you give your Aadhaar card to them.
No, we just show our identity. We do not give when we travel by flight. We don't give copy of Aadhaar card.
Not copy, but we give our Aadhaar card and they scan it or do whatever. So is it even if you go for registration?
They do not scan our Aadhaar card. They just scan our tickets or boarding passes. They just
when I went to take a SIM also, he wanted my Aadhaar card, a new SIM.
That is another issue. They need copy of your Aadhaar card. So you have to be careful in that. See, things are developing. Now, sooner you will see that they need your thumb impressions. It is connected to your Aadhaar card. If you are getting a SIM, then they will make sure that this is only you who is getting this insured.
Okay.
So at this stage, we have to be careful. But later on, organizations like UIDAI or banks or any organization will look after these things. Now they are coming with the ideas.
So now we forward Aadhaar card photos on WhatsApp. Is it safe to do that?
Aadhaar card photo on WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Even passports, they ask us, the travel agents.
Travel agents ask the details. So we can
take our Aadhaar cards.
Okay, I'll take 1 minute and I'll tell you a case which I have come across. Hajj Yatra group में होता है. So what they do, कि उनको सऊदी अरेबिया जाना है, तो ग्रुप्स में आधार कार्ड इकट्ठा किया सबका, पैन कार्ड इकट्ठा किया सबका. 40-50 people were there. So they all give their Aadhaar card and PAN card or flight ticket or things to the travel agent. What that travel agent did, he went to the money exchange counter where you convert your cash to another currency in US dollar or in pound. So free limit is there up to I think $2,000, up to not $2,000, $1,200 you can easily exchange. Thereafter, you need some formalities. So he deposited that 40 copy of Aadhaar cards and PAN cards, flight tickets, boarding passes to the money exchange counter, and he converted around 10 lakhs. So later on, a case was there. That company belongs to Mumbai only. A case was there with us. So we got that information from AD, Directorate of Enforcement, where money laundering was going on with these Aadhaar cards. अगर trusted है कोई travel agency तो ही आप दें, otherwise random किसी को ना दें. Tried and tested लोगों को ही आप दें अपने credentials. Otherwise तो इसका तो कोई solution अभी तो नहीं.
Next question is from Ms. Anju. Sir, what is your take on the banking fraud that is of the scale committed by economic fugitives, by tycoons who have left the Indian territory?
I think if some more measures would have been adopted now, then things would have gone in some right directions. सी होता क्या है, हमारे साथ फ्रॉड हो गया, हमें ही बहुत समय बाद पता चलता है ना। इफ वी डोंट रिसीव अ डेबिट एसएमएस, अगर मुझे मेरे अकाउंट का डेबिट होने का, सपोज समवन इज विड्रॉइंग 10,000 fraudulently from my account, एसएमएस नहीं आया है, तो आई हार्डली चेक माय अकाउंट बैलेंस, एंड आफ्टर 4-5 और 1 or 2 weeks आई विल गेट टू नो कि मेरा अकाउंट बैलेंस कम है, इतना नहीं होना चाहिए था, ज्यादा होना चाहिए।